GP.
You came to the GP?
Yes.
To do what?
To take my rejection.
To take you?
No, to take you.
It's you.
It's you. But her.
Move back, baby.
I really want to see you.
See your labu labu show. Baby head, see. Oh, see.
Boo boo.
Let's go. Particular room. There was no room.
Oh, did you not see the room
No,
number?
that was the name.
Because what happened, there was 2 lists, so I think that's why, so apologies.
Yeah.
Just for her nasal spray, is that
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
She has no fever, no temperature? Any allergies I should be aware of?
No, not at all.
And did she have this last year? So
Yeah,
exactly
in
the
school.
same,
Okay.
spray into the nostril, but it
Yeah.
could make the nose a little bit runny.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Oh, this is going to smell like strawberries.
Strawberry.
It's okay. So if you pop your head up for me, you're going to smell it.
Smell it. Strawberry.
Oh, smell that? Can you sniff it?
Oh, dude.
Oh, well done, darling. Last one. Smell the strawberries. There we are. There's a tissue.
Put the tissue on. So thank
Okay, you're very welcome. And would you like a sticker?
you. For your baby?
And one for you.
Yeah. Oh, I say thank you.
Welcome. Apologies again for keeping you waiting.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice afternoon.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, let's go. Mama,
Yes,
how is your nose doing you?
not real.
Not well.
Yes, it's real.
Is it tickling you?
Fine.
How was it, baby? Did you cry?
Mom,
So what did they do to you?
put cream in my nose.
They put cream in your nose.
Yeah.
So guys, we just left the hospital now. I took not hospital. We just left the GP now. So I took so to the GP for her nasal flu vaccination. I think the essence of this flu vaccine is so the cold doesn't get so much in the kids, something like that, I think. Yeah, but hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ. So guys, we have a camera. Let's start.
Hey guys, welcome to Daisy's new channel.
What is the name of your channel?
Daisy Cindy CJ.
Adeza Cindy CJ.
Listen, folks, I'm so excited.
You're so excited. So what do you want to unbox?
Camera,
Your new camera. So what will you be doing with the camera?
do vlogs. I can just stop talking anymore. I just want to open it.
You just want to open it. You don't want to be talking anymore. What do you want to be doing with the camera?
Cooking vlog.
Cooking vlog. Okay, here you go. So guys, this is actually a camera. Let's unbox it. All right, go on. Oh, I don't think we need the scissors. It's opening already.
I have to see. Where do we
So
open?
guys,
Where do we open?
looking like 4K Ultra HD. Ha! Ultra HD.
Ultra HD.
Specification 64 megapixel. Open, go on, babes.
Open.
Careful. Ooh. Show guys now.
Your camera.
Show guys. So you have the camera. So what are the other things inside?
Violet, we need to peel it.
A manual. Show guys the
A manual.
Yeah.
What does this say?
Quick start guide. This is like a start guide.
Stickers! I can take it right. Let's go.
Show guys that. So it has this little sticking pad thingy. And it has 2 batteries. Mama, it has 2 batteries. Hold on. Show guys. Show guys, it has 2 batteries.
2 batteries?
That's the first one.
It looks like the same. 2?
Yeah, 2 batteries. What's this?
A charger.
Charger. What's this? A lanyard.
A lanyard.
And this is what? A bag.
A bag for what?
A bag for the camera, okay?
Oh.
Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. So guys, Adeze just finished unboxing her camera. We've already unboxed this one. I might insert the clip of when we are unboxing this one. So this one came in this little box where the lens on you, and then you'll be seeing the stuff here. So the thing with, as in, it was just a gift. Like, the person contacted me, they sent me an email like if I would like a camera. So I was like, come on, why not? Why not? I mean, they gave me 2 cameras, like this one and this particular one. So Adeze unboxed this one now. So yeah, but when I saw this one, like, this one was supposed to be for Adeze and this one was supposed to be for So. But when I saw this one, I said, this one doesn't really look like kids camera like that. I can actually be using this as a vlogging camera. I've never really used a camera. I've always been using my phone. But with this, let me say, I can just start learning how to use camera with this. Then subsequently, if I now feel like I need a big camera, because this is a brandless camera. I don't think it has a brand to it. It's not like, you know, brands like Sony, Canon, Samsung, you know, stuff like that. This one is brandless, but I feel I can start with this, if you know what I mean. Then subsequently I will now upgrade if I feel like I need camera, because my phones are enough, my phones are okay. But if I now feel like I need camera, I must have learned with this one how to use camera, how to navigate camera, and then I'll upgrade. Yeah, so Adeze will be using this one while I will be using this one. So maybe Adeze told me she wants to open her own channel. Me, I don't have time for that one. So now she's and the thing is, again, I used to have a camera like this, maybe not really this size, or maybe smaller than this, but that was a long time ago. If I look for it somewhere in this house, I'll still find it. But yeah, fact is, someone gifted us camera. We didn't buy it, we didn't pay for it, just a gift from a brand. It's not like a random person, as in from a brand. They didn't even ask me to make videos or anything serious, just to do 1 or 2 stuff for them. Yeah, but yeah, we got a camera. So what do you guys think about this camera? I don't know, have you ever used this type of camera before? What's your thought about it? But I've used this one like 1 or 2 times to shoot short videos, but I think it's okay. The challenge I have with cameras when I used to have a smaller one was the stress of transferring to laptop, and I edit with my phone, so I have to transfer to my laptop and then to my phone. But I think I will figure out a way, which I've already figured out a way, how to transfer from this camera directly to my Samsung phone. But I couldn't transfer directly to my iPhone because I edit with my iPhone. But let's see how it goes. If I can't figure out how to transfer to my iPhone, I'll be transferring it to my Samsung and then edit with my Samsung, maybe short videos, short clips. And you guys, we have a camera. You guys see camera. This is 1 and this is 2. So then when I saw this one, I was like, I said, no, this one is not for, let me even turn it on. I said, no, this one is not for children. Like, I've never really used a camera. You guys, can you guys see? Not a brand, like, it doesn't have a name to it like Sony, Canon, you know, stuff like that. This one, I don't think it's just written 4K Ultra HD digital camera. Yeah, so it came in this box, this particular one. Let me keep this one down. So this camera came in this box. I've already unboxed it. I just had to show you guys. Hold on.
Okay. Sorry, Mommy. There's a camera. A camera.
Do you want a camera?
Uh-huh.
Buy you
a long time. Mom, I down there.
But this one is mine.
Was it mine?
So yeah, guys, we got a camera. Just a little mini camera for vlogging.
Mine is pink. Mine is like rainbow.
Can I talk?
Mine pink.
So this
like,
is the charger.
Like rainbow. Is it rainbow?
Oh, people want to go downstairs. So this is what?
A charger.
This is the charger head. Yeah. So that's one battery. And this is the second battery.
Oh, come on.
This is a manual.
And
This
Mommy,
is like a little clothes to close it. So let's open the camera.
A little close.
Oh, this camera is so cute. And it has a this. Like
To
if
see the picture.
if you position it on yourself, you will see
Mommy,
what
you got that Mom, you got that like Kyra's mom and dad.
Oh, like Kara's mom and dad, yeah? This is so smart.
Mommy, let's open this.
Yo, we have a camera. We can start learning how to vlog with these cameras. Yeah. Then when I now get a hang of it, how the camera thing works, I can decide to buy what's this latest camera, DJ Osmo, whatever. Or a better camera. All right, guys, that's the update. Your girl has a camera. All right, talk to you guys later.
Mommy. Mommy,
They are
toy.
Babe, wait, even this is a kitchen toy. You're taking it out too.
We're going to take a pink one. We're going to take a rainbow one. Rainbow.
So you see what is this thing you're wearing? They are taking their scooter too. They can be playing with their scooter at the backyard, sir.
It's itchy. Where's the toy?
Oh, baby, even this is a toy car. Mama, your daddy has taken all your toys. What do you have in here? Oh dear. Look at this your toy car.
What?
Yeah, the doctor bag can go, but your toy car should stay. Oh gosh, the kids' room is always a mess. Their toy section of their room is always a mess. So hubby has been asking me to help them sort it. I will still sort it to discard. These kids will still go and mix everything together. So today, hubby has sorted all their toys. I mean, these ones here are their teddies, their ngongo and ngongo. This is the section where their toy thingy stays. Everything has been cleared. I will sweep here now. And there's still some toys up here. What is that? Go downstairs. There's still some toys up here. But these ones are still fair enough.
My baby.
Yeah. New uniform. 2-in-1.
Once Lucy grows up, she will wear some of mine.
Right. It's got a new uniform.
I want
We move back. Let's see your uniform. Turn around, girl. Come on, turn to the front. Why are you doing that? Turn around. Spin around. Turn to the front. Alright, be going. Carry your bag. Your daddy is ready. Bye, baby.
Bye, Mommy.
Did you grab your jacket?
Don't.
Since I'm coming, me go. Me go and grab your jacket.
You read something. No. Yes.
Bye, baby.
Mommy, can I lock it in your room?
Bye, baby.
Mom.
Bye, baby.
Bye, Mommy.
control the piece inside it.
I want more.
Put your hand inside. Crack another one.
Okay, I cracked it actually.
So put, if you crack it, you put your hand inside the frying pan, okay? Inside. Good stuff. Look at me, sweetie. So look at me. Come on. So is making breakfast. Oh, get it. Good stuff.
My hand is all green now. I
stir it gently. Gently. Amazing. So I got a couple of things recently from Temu, and I'll be doing an unboxing, but I don't think I'll be showing my face in this unboxing. So they came in these boxes.
Mommy, how are you going to come? He's a new vacuum cleaner.
Is it a vacuum cleaner? This is 1 year warranty. Okay. White, one white. Okay. What will be sensor light? Okay, call clock. Or for palo.
Can you see? You get it now. Which my hand is a
okay, palo. So now one place.
Oh, yeah, we are complete.
Yeah. So that's the sensor light. So once you get close to it, it comes up, and then once you pass, it goes back off. So it's off. It's off. Babyito. So what are you doing?
I'm stirring the gari.
You're stirring the gari.
Oh, some bits have fallen down. Don't put it inside the pot.
Yeah, but little helps. The burger coming through.
Mommy, first potato.
Right.